Modern currency is not simply printed, it is engineered. Ordinary paper would fail under constant handling, moisture, heat, and friction.
Counterfeiting is not just crime, Maso. It is a direct threat to economic stability. A single weak point in a business.
Most people believe security features are added during printing. In reality, protection begins much earlier.
The euro is produced under strict centralized control. Every facility operates within tightly regulated.
A euro banknote must communicate with two audiences at once. Humans rely on texture, color, and touch.
Trust is often thought of as an idea, but inside a euro factory, trust becomes something physical.
To understand how the euro achieves its strength, we must go back to its foundation coins, the materials themselves.
Euro banknotes are not made from ordinary paper. Traditional wood-based paper would tear, fade, and break down far too quickly.
Not all cotton is suitable for currency. Only long, high-purity fibers are selected. Short fibers and
Before forming banknote material, the cotton fibers undergo chemical washing. This process removes oils and
zones. Mechanical refining aligns the fibers into a controlled structure. This alignment determines how the banknote bends. Security is not added later, it is built into the material itself. Threads, fibers, and markers are embedded during formation. Controlled drying stabilizes the fiber structure. Temperature, humidity, and speed are carefully balanced to prevent warping.
At this stage, the euro still carries no value, yet its strength, security, and integrity are already locked in.
Before a single drop of ink is applied, the euro is designed as a security system. Every line, curve.
Banknote design relies heavily on mathematics. Repeating ratios, controlled spacing, and symmetrical structures allow
Some design elements are smaller than the human eye can resolve. These micro-engravings are engineered for optical scanners. Every euro must be readable by machines, ATMs, sorting systems, and banking scanners. Design elements are counted.
Color on a euro banknote is scientifically engineered. Pigments are chosen not just for appearance, but for how they reflect.
Design layers must align within microns. Even the slightest deviation would disrupt machine recognition. This tolerance level. Before mass production, designs undergo extensive validation. Test prints verify ink behavior, alignment accuracy. Once approved, the design is locked. From this point forward, consistency is absolute. The euro's visual
Offset printing applies the complex background patterns of the banknote. This method allows for ultrafine color gradients and
Currency inks are chemically engineered. Some contain magnetic particles detectable by machines. Others react differently.
Intaglio printing uses enormous pressure, measured in tons. Ink is forced deep into engraved lines.
The pressure must be precise. Too little and the texture fades. Too much and the material weakens.
Each printing layer must align perfectly. Optical sensors verify registration in real time.
After printing, inks must stabilize. Controlled heat and airflow allow pigments to bond permanently with the substrate.
Tectonin. At this stage, the euro gains one of its most recognizable traits, its feel. Texture becomes.
Even the most precise printing is not enough on its own. As reproduction technology advances,
A true watermark is not printed. It is created by varying fiber density.
Security threads are embedded deep within the banknote, not placed on the surface. These threads respond to magnets.
Holograms rely on light physics, not color alone. Microstructured surfaces bend and split light.
Some inks are engineered to change color based on angle. This behavior is caused by microscopic layered particles that interlink.
Many security elements are invisible under normal light. Under ultraviolet and infrared inspection, hidden patterns appear. No single feature protects a euro. Security comes from layers, each designed to verify the others.
By this stage, the euro has become extremely difficult to imitate, yet production is far from complete.
Up to this point, euro banknotes exist as large printed sheets. Now, precision becomes personal.
Cutting is performed using laser-guided and precision blade systems. Alignment is measured in microns.
Every edge is inspected. Clean cuts prevent tearing and ensure smooth movement through ATMs and sorting.
Serial numbers transform currency into traceable units. Each number follows a strict logic encoding origin, batch, and production sequence. No two notes are ever identical.
Serial numbers must align perfectly with the underlying design. Machines verify position, spacing, and orientation.
The system does not correct mistakes, it removes them. Notes that fail even one criterion are destroyed.
Before leaving this stage, every note is measured one final time. Thickness, width, length, and
At this point, each euro is unique, traceable, and dimensionally perfect.
Printing and security alone do not guarantee reliability. A euro must endure years of handling.
Folding machines simulate thousands of bends in minutes. Engineers measure how fibers recover after stress. A banknote that loses structure here will fail in circulation.
Wallets, pockets, and counting machines slowly wear a note's surface. Abrasion testing reveals how ink and
Euros circulate through every climate imaginable. Environmental chambers expose notes to heat, cold.
Optical systems check color accuracy down to minute tolerances. Even slight deviations can affect machine recognition.
Thickness and weight are measured precisely. Variations can cause jams, misreads, or security flags. This step guarantees compatibility across millions of machines.
Quality control does not allow compromise. Notes that fail any test are immediately removed and destroyed. Only currency that meets every standard is allowed to continue.
At this stage, each euro has proven its durability. It has survived stress designed to exceed everyday.
Producing secure currency is only half the challenge. Once completed, banknotes must be moved without
emissions. Automated systems count and bundle notes at high speed. Sensors verify quantity and alignment in real time.
Each bundle is sealed with tamper-evident systems. Any attempt to interfere becomes immediately visible. Integrity must be preserved. Storage is handled by robotics operating within secured vaults. Access is tightly controlled and continuously monitored. Every movement is logged. Digital tracking systems maintain a continuous chain of custody, from production line to national bank.
Before leaving the facility, bundles are loaded into armored containers. Routes, schedules, and destinations are...
Distribution is designed to minimize exposure at every stage. Currency moves through circulation.
Once delivered, euros enter circulation, quietly and securely. Their journey is controlled.
Once released, euro banknotes begin a long and demanding life. They pass through countless machines, banks. Every fold, every touch, every machine pass alters a banknote. Fibers compress, ink dulls.
Central banks rely on automated fitness detection. Machines analyze surface texture, stiffness.
The decision is instant. Notes that meet standards return to circulation. Notes that fail are removed, not repaired, not reused. Plans. Unfit notes are destroyed under strict control. Shredding ensures no compromised currency can
The euro is designed with sustainability in mind. Destroyed notes are recycled, fibers repurposed.
Data from circulation feeds back into production. Wear patterns inform future material choices and security upgrade.
From creation to circulation and back again, the euro follows a controlled life cycle. Each note.
The strength of the euro does not come from a single feature. It comes from a system, one where material science, print.
By removing manual handling, the system removes uncertainty. Machines operate within defined tolerances.
Every euro is verified repeatedly, visually, physically, and electronically.
As technology evolves, so does counterfeiting. The euro's design anticipates this primer, relying on physical prints.
Data from millions of notes in circulation feeds back into production. Wear patterns, failure modes, and to counterfeit a euro, every layer must be replicated. Materials, chemistry, optics, and precision machine.
Trust in a currency is built long before it is spent. It is engineered quietly, tested relentlessly.
From raw fibers to global circulation, the euro remains secure because it is treated as infrastructure.